Hi, my name's Pam Doneen, and I just finished week 13 on the Nutrisystem program. So I'm going to share with you things that helped me this week. I'll also talk to you about how I felt this week and also what my results are. And by doing this, I'm hoping that you can get some tips from me that will help you if you decide to do Nutrisystem. So anyway, I put in my last order. I know I have enough food that will last me to get to my goal, but I wanted some extra food so that I could have like an easier transition. I want to be super careful when I start eating regular food. But when I put in that last order, I was actually kind of sad. It was like, yeah, I can't explain it. It was like I've really enjoyed being on the program. I have no complaints, nothing bad to say about it. And I really gave it my all. And by giving it my all, I got results. I will make it to my goal. So no complaints here. And I am learning. I have learned and am gaining like portion size. With the Nutrisystem food, what I do is I will cook it in their containers, and then I always put it on my own plate or in my own bowl so that I can really kind of look at the portion size and kind of compute that in my head, what a portion size looks like. So when I am no longer eating the Nutrisystem food, I will know what my plate should look like. And I also came across something that was kind of helpful, actually really helpful. It's given you things to think about for portion size. So it said, think of a baseball for the size of fruit. So a baseball for the size of like an apple, orange, or like a grouping of grapes would be a baseball. So a golf ball size, they say to think of it as a serving of nuts or shredded cheese. So that's not very big. So a golf ball size is nuts or shredded cheese. A deck of cards, a deck of cards would be the size for lean meats or fish. So a deck of cards for that. A fist for the size for rice or pasta. So that just kind of gives you something to think of. So I don't have to cart around my measuring cups or my food scale wherever I go. That gives me a little bit of a help with gauging. So anyway, I will show you my results for the week. But before I do, if you could hit the like button, subscribe, and notification bell, I would really appreciate it. So anyway, let's go take a look at my results for this week.
This is the end of week 13. 124.4.
So I am down 0.8 pounds. I only have 0.4 pounds to go, and I will have lost 20 pounds. I'm very excited about that. I had a goal to lose 20 pounds in 1 year. It's going to be taking me 13 months to lose 20 pounds because my first 10 months of the year, I was doing it on my own. And it took me 10 months to lose 5.8 pounds. And so then I joined Nutrisystem because it was getting close to the end of the year and I didn't lose my 20 pounds yet. So I joined Nutrisystem, and by joining Nutrisystem, I took off the extra, well, almost in 0.4, it'll be an extra 14.2 pounds for a total of 20 pounds in my 13 months time. So I'm okay with that, a little over a year, but that's okay. I'm totally happy. I should have started Nutrisystem 1 month earlier, or I could have started it at the very beginning and it would have taken me just a few months to lose all 20 pounds. So anyway, but I did it. I'm almost there. I shouldn't say I did it. I'm almost there. So anyway, I felt good this week. I had good energy, and I did increase my exercise because I'm so close to my goal. And I know when you get close to your weight where you want to be, it takes extra pushing. So I did increase my exercise this week, and I plan to do it all this week going forward, just because I want to get that last 0.4 pounds off and be done. And my clothing is fitting so much better. I'm moving around better. 20 pounds, if you think about lugging 20 pounds around wherever you go, that's a lot of weight. So I'm so happy that I'm almost there, almost to my 20 pounds. So anyway, thank you for watching my videos. And again, if you could hit the like button, push the subscribe and notification bell, I'd love that. Again, thank you for watching my videos. Have an amazing week. And I will see you very soon, hopefully reaching my goal. Thank you.